Hi guys, Evan here. Today we're gonna be opening up a
Necrozma 3-pack tin from Costco. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm Ezra, by the way.
You might have seen him inside the last video.
Okay, this one will be a speed episode, and we're gonna be opening all three of them. So there will be no parts, but it's a triple opening. Yeah. So so what we have here is the Duskmane Necrozma GX, which is
The
Galio version of Necrozma. I'm assuming because of the looks of it. Then we have Dawnwing's Necrozma, which
looks
is
like Lunala.
Lunala because of the looks of it. And then we have the OG Necrozma GX,
the regular one.
Yeah. So at the back, it says that in each tin you'll find one of two foil GX Pokemon cards. It's either the Necrozma or the Necrozma Duskmane or the Necrozma Dawnwings, 4 TCG booster packs, and a TCG Pokemon booster code for the tins. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's get into it, I guess.
What just happened? I have one pack. Get the Lunala.
Which one you want to open? Okay, how about I open this first? You open this, and we open this together in the middle.
I'll open the Lunala one. This is the regular, right?
Yeah, let's put this in the middle.
Boom, boom.
Okay.
It's gonna fall. Put it up here. Or not.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we're gonna open it up.
I need help. I'll scratch the tin or something.
Oh, shoot.
Slip.
So, yeah.
I finished. Oh, yay!
Remember to keep the GX inside of the plastic.
Oh, yeah.
So we don't damage it.
And by the way, the one that looks like Lunala and the one that looks like Saliego, it's actually Ultra Beasts.
They're not. I'm not 100%
They
sure.
are Ultra Beasts.
Okay, so this is how the Duskmane Necrozma GX look like. I'm trying not to damage this.
Whoa, these are full pictures.
Boom. Full art GX. Claw Slash 60 damage. Meteor Tempest 220 damage. Sun Eclipse GX 250 damage.
This is the one that looks. This is the Necrozma that looks like Lunala. So there's a Dark Flash 120, Moon's
Moon's Eclipse GX 180.
Ooh, what? There's one.
Okay, we're gonna be giving out some codes. Okay, what kind of booster packs did you get, Evan?
I bet the same thing says it. I got the Sun and Moon Ultra Prism, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, the X and Y
Evolutions, XY Fates Collide.
And that's
it. Okay. We're gonna open it. So let's start off with the Ultra Prism.
Thing?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's start off with. Wait, you want me to open up the packs for you?
No, I can do it.
Let me open it and you can show
No, I
it.
can do it.
You could do it? Okay. Try not to damage the cards.
I bet.
Evan, look, you're breaking the cards already.
I don't know how to open. Oh, actually I do. I don't have this Pokemon yet.
No, okay. I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
So here's the code. You're only gonna give out only so many. Don't show it. No. We're gonna save that one.
How about this one?
Okay, and then I don't know the card code.
Oh.
I'm gonna just put 3 to the front. Okay. So we have Gardenia, Prinplup, a Trainer, Gabite, Bronzor, Krogunk, Magnemite, Buizel, Snover,
Lickitung.
Lickilicky. Okay, this will be our rare. And then a dark energy. Okay.
So we have Buizel.
Wait, Evan, did he do the card trick?
Oh no.
Okay, I think it's
Buizel.
4 to the front.
Yeah. YouTubers.
Which one's yours?
This is mine.
Is this yours?
No, that's yours.
Okay.
I'll put my pile right there. These are mine, right?
Yep.
Okay. So, wait, where's the mixing card? Which one's mine?
Yeah, it doesn't matter, Evan.
So we have the energy.
Fighting.
We have the unit energy. Whoa.
The trainer. Yeah, here. You want me to do it?
No.
You want to read?
No,
and then
no,
I do the cards? Or you want me to read? Or
do it.
you want me to read it? Or
Unit energy. Lopunny. Lopunny.
Show it to the camera.
What's that? Shieldon.
Sheldon.
Buizel.
Shieldon.
Lickitung. Execute. Cosmog.
Morlo. Yeah. Is that a shiny?
Trainer. Drampa.
Oh, you got a
Shiny.
Drampa
Shiny.
hollow foil.
Wait, where's yours? Oh, yours is Snover?
Mine is Licky. Licky. Hee.
Wait, so that's your stuff?
Yep.
So this is my what?
Your reverse foil. Okay, next on Crimson.
Oh. Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion.
Crimson Invasion, yeah.
I opened it from the bottom.
Doesn't really matter. Okay. We're gonna maybe.
You go first.
I go first.
Okay, the card trick. Or not. Wait.
Swinub. I don't know the card trick. Swinub. Numo. Mincino. is Drevious. Alolan Geodude. Dano.
The last one.
And the legendary Pokemon Reggie Ice Hollow Foil. Ooh.
So that's your rare?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we have a Psychic Energy.
Ooh.
A Devoured Field. A Haunter. Oh, this is a dope Pokemon. A Hakamo'o.
What the Hakamo'o?
It's a Hawaiian name.
So first we have the...
No, Evan, what I just did is that's a cool way. You look at the part cards, and when you're ready, you turn it, and then you show us. You're looking already. You're peeking. He cheated.
I know. Okay, so first we have Swinub, then we have Swablu, then we have Shelmet, next we have Stuffle, then we have Cacnea, then we have Mawai.
Alolan Raichu, Hollow.
Hollow.
Leaf Energy, Jesse.
Energy.
Piloswine, I don't know.
Psychic Memory Trainer. We have another trainer. And that's it. I got
Okay.
Okay, evolutions.
Evolution. I know I'm gonna get something good.
Me too.
No cheating.
Okay.
Okay, so I got a Pikachu.
I love that kind
a
of.
Staryu,
Staryu. Yeah.
an Onyx, a Weedle, a Machop, oh, double rare, a Nidoking,
What? A double wheel?
and then a golden border
Wait,
Charizard.
It's shiny. What?
It's a golden border. Hey,
Oh, that's Charizard EX.
I don't know. Is it special?
Yeah, it's real.
It has a golden border.
Ooh.
Not 200%
That
sure.
means that's yours.
It's a golden border.
Then have
Okay.
a Nidoking.
Yeah, it's a double rare.
Oh.
I got a trainer switch.
I'm jealous now.
Evan, did you put down your code card yet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go.
So first we have a Magnemite, Energy, Growlite, Machamp, Voltorb, Electabuzz. What? Dragonite EX!
Evan got a double rare too.
Oh, what the?
Oh shoot, this one's dope.
You don't have that yet, right?
I don't even have this card.
And then
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
This is our
Pokemon card collection coming out soon. Maybe the next episode.
I
Yeah.
have lots of Pokemon cards.
Holy shit! I think this is gonna be your best card. Okay, wait. Let's put it on here. That would be your rare card.
Let's just put it on there.
Okay, what else? You have more
Put
cards.
on
You have more cards. Oh yeah. Okay.
So we have the Trainer, the Evolution Spray. Then we have the Nidorino. Then we have another Trainer, Slowbro.
This is going better than the past triple team we did.
Yep. Because I never get a Dragonite EX in that one. I only got a Pidgeot EX.
And then the rest was the one we had
And
one
then
break.
I had a Regirock EX. No, there's 2 breaks. Because Irene got one and then I got one, right?
I got a break.
Oh, then that means I never get any breaks. But look at this!
That's beautiful.
Hallelujah. What happens if I get a full picture art?
Full art?
Yeah.
You want to trade card? You want to trade a pack?
Nope.
I have a good feeling because this one feels heavy. This one might have a secret rare.
Okay, maybe I'll trade.
I don't know, but this one
Fate's
feels
Collide.
good. This one feels
But
good.
either way, these are all my Pokemon cards. Oh no.
Don't cheat.
Hi, I know there's an EX in here, or there's something good in here. I hope I get a full picture art. But look at this. That could finish up my that Charizard EX. That could finish up my stuff because I had a Charizard. I had the regular Charizard.
Okay, I have a Vullaby, a Solosis, a
You never
Cottonee,
showed him.
a Mincino, a Whismur, a Kangaskhan,
Kangaskhan.
a Bronzor,
Bronzer.
a Kabuto, another Kangaskhan, and then a
the
random
trainer.
receiver.
A trainer. So we have a Deerling,
A Pulabashadi.
Riolu,
Yeah.
Jigglypuff. I already have that card. Carbink,
Larbitar.
Lavitar,
Larbitar.
Tireless,
Oh my god, Evan, oh my god.
Aerodactyl. I've been waiting for this card actually. This is my first time getting this actually. That's not a rare. Power memory. I'll just put this over here instead. Then we have the Halacha. Then we have another trainer. Okay, now we're ready for the regular whatever.
Okay, how about this?
Wait, I need help.
You want to pick first? Hey, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Let's just put it down nicely.
Okay.
Okay,
But then it will be mixed up.
let's do something special. You want to choose first or you want me to choose first?
I'll pick
Okay, close your eyes.
Dragonite EX.
Close your eyes.
Why?
That's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Oh wait, actually look.
How much
This
is
booster
there?
pack's way better.
Is there 4? Oh, I want two. You get two. I'll get these two.
Okay.
You get two.
Okay.
These feel heavy.
These feel, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna open up my Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Oh, look at this. I opened it up perfectly. Ah, I ripped.
Wait, what? You're opening the Sun and Moons?
Yep.
This one, the Guardian's Rising?
Nope. Not necessarily.
I'll just open my evolutions now.
I got a Meowth, a Stuffle,
Okay,
a Pansage, or Pansage,
I have a first edition.
Krogunk, Pikachu,
Pika.
Heracross, and then Evan, I don't know if this is rare or not.
Where?
Look. It's a Salazzle.
Wait,
GX
what
full
the?
art with texture.
Wait, let me see. Can I hold
said
it?
you want it.
No, let me hold it.
No. Not yet. You can feel it. Just put it down.
I'm putting down Pikachu.
An electric energy.
Okay.
And a body building dumbbells. A Bridon. An electric. I'm not racist.
Okay, my turn.
Yes.
So we have a Charmander. We have a Magnemite. Energy. If you get a lot of starters, then that means they could be something good. Growlithe, Machop,
I don't think this is
Ponyta, rare. Or not. I don't know. Me too.
That's your rare, Evan.
Me too.
Yep.
How about Ponyta? Okay, I'll put that over there.
Evan, I feel something good.
Oh no.
I thought I saw something shiny.
Where?
In here. This is my next booster pack.
Uh-oh. Charmeleon. Trainer. Charizard Spirit Link. And a Poliwhirl.
Evan, just because you never pulled that much GXs, you want to trade?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
You'll have my
Sweatshirt!
evolutions. I mean Sun and Moon.
You want me to go first, or?
Okay. But wait, all of these cards are mine, once again. Hi, Pikachu.
It doesn't want to say hi back. It doesn't like you. Plus, they're not alive. Evan, you're cheating!
My next one is a punch one. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, there's no stuff.
I'll figure it out. Okay, it's a Wimpod.
Wimpod.
Mashop.
Mashop.
Valimer.
Valimer.
A Stuffle.
Stuffle.
A Phantom.
Phantom.
Double rare. Sharpedo.
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 Sharpico.
Viscosio. Viscacioso. Z. Perry Energy. A Sabli. Gotrita.
Why are you dropping your regular
A
cards?
Field Blow A. Okay,
Wait,
that's it.
wait, why are you doing your
Pull up
regular
a shy.
Okay. First we have Meryl. Then we have Rhyhorn. Sandigast. Hoot Hoot.
I got a Tesla in the back for someone passed out.
There's Hoot.
Pololo.
Tangela. Palo-Sand. Sorry, Pika.
Then
we have Ledian. We have an Energy.
Boom, boom,
We have a
boom.
Seadra. We have Wobbuffet. And a Wickle. No EXs.
You might have won last round, but
You won.
I won this round. I got Charizard, a Nidoking,
Wait, let's see
and a Salazzle.
Let's see the attack damage. Charizard
Evan,
and
attack
Dragonite.
damage doesn't matter. It's about the
130.
coolness and the clout. If I have more clout than you, then
This
that's
is better than
cool.
Charizard.
No, Dragonite and Charizard eats people.
What?
No, that's fake.
Electabuzz.
I'm finding all my rares. How much rares did you get? More than you. Oh.
At least these are still my cards.
No, the Charizard. You remember you only one pack.
No.
Cake. Oh look. Oh wait, damn. Oh look, this is my shiny. Did I get double shiny?
Give me Pikachu. Wait, that looks like a Pichu.
It's a dope looking Pikachu. Oh yeah, if you guys already haven't, follow my Instagram.
Nope.
yvng.exra. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We might be making a Pokemon Instagram page.
Oh yeah.
Maybe. But for in the meantime, follow my Instagram at yvng.exra. Don't forget to subscribe. What else? Watch the past videos if you're not up to date. You might be missing out. We got some pretty good cards last episode, if you know what I mean.
Wait, you mixed up all the cards.
Ooh.
No.
Anyways, I think this is the end of the video.
Bye.
Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Thank you.